Welcome to Tech Boss again. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem when your phone, you can see this phone can't reboot. It turn on and it turn off. You can see the light over, you can see it turn off and it turn on. Okay, let me explain some quick thing for you before we start the main process. The reason why you are having that problem, most of time it is like firmware corrupted. If you when your firmware, the firmware that they use, the software that they use to build the phone, when it's corrupted, that one can bring this issue. When that issue come, how to face it, that's what I'm going to show you. And method 2, number 2, some phone is not about the software, some too is about the hardware on the board, maybe the power IC or the booting IC. So there sometimes is an IC, but this one I'm going to show you is not about IC. So this one is about software fixing. Okay, we are going to try without computer and with computer. If with computer don't work, if without computer don't work, follow me. I'm going to show you a tool that's going to help you fix your phone. Okay, this one is Motorola. When any phone started doing that, the only thing you can do, the first thing you must do is to press and hold on the volume down and power button. Hold on them till it turn off. After it turn off, then you perform factory reset or hard reset. Okay, me I'm like for Motorola, it is volume down and power and power button, which we are going to use to perform a factory reset or hard reset. But for others phone, I'm going to link it below the description how to hard reset. Techno, Samsung, any Android, you just check the link below the description. You will see many video over there that are going to help you hard reset your phone. So this one is Motorola. So let's go. Power button, down volume, press and hold on them till you see recovery menu. Press and hold them like this. Let's go. Keep hold on them. You can see this is the recovery menu, but for others you won't see it that way. So if you are used other brand, check the link below the description. And also I'm going to show you how to fix it, fix the hardware. If the problem is on the board, I'm going to show you. So hit on the subscribe button, so when I upload that video you can get notification. Here is recovery mode. You use the down volume to come down and press the power button when you select recovery mode. Then let's wait. You can see the recovery mode is shown. Now we are going to use the power button perhaps the volume up, but we are going to press it like this once. You must press the both at the same time. Blah. Okay, let's go. Blah. That is it. And now use the volume down to select wipe data factory reset and press power button. But remember that you are going to lose all data, so make sure you back up your data and your files before you perform factory reset. Power button, down volume, power button, and check here, and power button, and let's see that we are ready to go. So if this one not work for you, you can use unlock tool to factory reset your phone. That's the one tool that I can recommend for you that work well on problem like this. You can use unlock tool, and also I'm going to make video about the unlock tool to factory reset your phone stock and can't reboot. So hit on the subscribe button and up notification bell. Yeah, now you can see my phone have booted 100%, so you'll just go and skip. So that's how to fix it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video again. Also, if this method not work for you, I'm going to link the method 2 video below the description, which I'm working on it. It will become in this week or next week. So if like, check the link below the description, either I upload it or I not upload it yet. But if you are watching this video after 1 week to 2 weeks of uploading it, check the link below the description for the method 2 in case this method did not work for you. Thank you for watching this video.